So I'm going to go through and show the work. Remember, you can press pause at any time if you need to go back and erase or make some adjustments. But just make sure you're following and having correct answers on your own paper. Okay, so the first one, we're going to start by distributing the 3x. 3x times 4x squared gives us a 12x to the third. 3x times 5x will give us a positive 15x squared. 3x times negative 7 will give us a negative 21x. Then we're going to distribute the negative 6. So negative 6 times 4x squared will give us a negative 24x squared. Negative 6 times a 5x will give us a negative 30x. And negative 6 times 7 will give us a positive 42. Once we combine like terms, we'll get a 12x to the third minus a 9x squared minus 51x plus 42. It's kind of crooked, sorry about that. But there's our final answer for number 1. Number 2, we're going to start by distributing our 2w. So 2w times 2w squared will give us 2w to the third. 2w times 8w will give us a positive 16w. 2w times a negative 5 will give us a negative 10w. Then we'll distribute our 5. So 5 times 2w squared. Oops, I said it here, but I didn't write it down, right? I missed my squared up there on the top row. Okay, so 5 times 2w squared will give us a positive 10w squared. 5 times 8w will give us a positive 40w. And 5 times negative 5 will give us a negative 25. So when we combine like terms, we'll get a 2w to the third plus a 26w squared plus 30w minus 25. And then number 3, right, we'll distribute our 6c first. So 6c times c squared will give us a 6c to the third. 6c times 3c will give us a positive 18c. 6c times negative 8 will give us a negative 48c. Darn it, I keep missing writing that down. I did it again. Okay. 48c. Sorry, guys. Okay. Now we're going to distribute the 2. I think I got that right. Let's double check. 6c to the third, 18c squared minus 48c. Okay, so we distribute the 2. That's going to give us a 2c squared. A positive 6c. And a negative 16. When we combine like terms, that will give us 6c to the third plus 20c squared minus 42c minus 16.